everybody, welcome to the ECW Inside Pro Wrestling. I am Michael, and this is Rosemary, who just defeated Gail Cam in that Underworld match. Now, to ask your question, what is next for Rosemary here in ECW? Oh, Michael, my next venture and my mission is to go for the Knockouts Championship. And then I will bring darkness into the dark of Impact. And I will put those knockouts definitely in the position they deserve to be under. Their queen of the dark side, me, Rosemary. So, if you're on my plans have to be set up. All right, we're going to Renee Young now. Thank you, Michael Cole. I'm standing here with still the ECW World Champion, Kurt Angle, and Ric Flair and Kevin Nash. And I have to say, you guys are dominating this company and this business. What is next for Kurt in the title? First, Renee, I'm going to have Kurt. We're going to have a party. We're going to have a main event Mafia party on Thursday night. Maybe we will show up on Friday with a gift that a champion deserves. All right. Well, thank you guys. We'll see you at time. Let's go right now to Londa Terry. Thank you very much, Renee Young. I'm Londa Terry. I'm standing here with the United States Champion, the brand new United States Champion, Chris Master. First, congratulations for making your first title hold of a title here at ECW. And now, I have to ask this question. What is your plan? What is your future with that title? Well, you know, Londa, I always say, for every person that holds this back title, they put it on the line every single night. And as the masterpiece, I'm going to take that vision and make it an open night fight. So, tune into that. All right, let's go to let's go to Todd Down with right back. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm standing here with the ECW new Intercontinental Champion right back. First, congratulations. And are you happy that you now capture 2 titles? You hold the ECW United States Champion, and now you hold the Intercontinental title. Is there any more titles that you can imagine to get? Well, I think that Luther Ray has one more title that I'm looking forward. I just hope he's ready. So, your mind, I have to be feed early. All right, let's go to Lillian. Thank you, I'm Lillian, and this is the Knockouts champion herself, Nia Rose. Nia Rose, congratulations. You are now the two-time Knockouts champion here in ECW. What is your goals now and forward to move forward? I'm putting all those Knockouts ladies to notice that this title is not going nowhere. And then I'm going to show the whole world that Nia Jax is and always will be the greatest champion of all time. Thank you much. Ladies and gentlemen, back to Michael Cole and Christy Henry. What a night we have here, Chris Lee. I'm telling you, we have not seen so much battle and so much new champions had the crown here tonight. But hey, that's just my opinion. But ladies and gentlemen, we'll see you all next time for our event. We'll see you all tonight and tomorrow for our special Monday at Knockdown. Don't want to miss it. It's back.